Theyron UAV have produced a completely new rotor control system, able to provide a range, endurance and speed performance comparable to high-end helicopter-type UAV, however with a greatly reduced cost and operating complexity, a smaller, quieter vehicle footprint, a safer layout, along with the potential for reduced environmental impact. Our secure intellectual property presents opportunities to businesses utilising vertical takeoff and landing UAV. Many operators using multi-rotor electric types find themselves limited by range and endurance issues, but have found that progressing to currently available long endurance options is uneconomic or technically difficult. Theyron's offering can bridge this gap. We are presently seeking collaboration with companies able to apply our machines to their existing operations. This could include anything from line-of-sight agricultural or survey work through to beyond visual line-of-sight uses. We would potentially negotiate strategic franchise advantages to early adopters of our technology. Learn more about what Theyron UAV have to offer by going to our website.